Mom, I don't know what to do. I just have so many guys who like me. Ibig sabihin, body ting ka?
Please, sir, I'm just a small tinapay.
Hey, yo, let's go, Rain! You killing it, Rain! We need you, Rain! Hey, you necessary!
Parang yung parang yung
Oh, yeah.
di ba square?
Ang sarap! One chicken fried rice, okay? Saglang maayaw yan, ha? Salama, okay?
Diyos ko po, marunong siya mag-Tagalog.
Anak, magbihis ka na. Let's go to the party.
No.
Sige na, it's gonna be lit.
No.
There's gonna be baddies.
Talaga? Girl, you better tulog na. Don't you got like a escuela? Or maybe trabajo? Isn't you pagod already?
911, what's your emergencies? There's no more rice for my adobo!
On point na on point yung dress mo, anak. Sobrang savage.
Teka muna, mag-selfie tayo.
Ang grabe naman yung weather sa US. Okay, tita, stop that.
Your cousin, doktor, yung ate mo, nurse, ikaw,
I make vines.
tangi! Aray! Ang ganda yung kotse. Ano yan, Toyota? Hindi, Ultima. Hoy, ang pangit yung Ultima mo! Ay! Anak ko, I have a question.
What, Dad?
Ano yan?
It's what are those, Dad?
What are those?
Those!
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 What are those?
Magana, let me get you another calamansi. But you gotta promise you gotta calamansi me later, alright, ikaw, ha?
Sir, here's your beverage. Thank you for flying Filipino Airlines.
Pambihira naman! Walang hiya ka! Ang grabe naman yung mga yung decisions mo! Nakakainis! Boo! Ay!
Nakakagulat. Don't tell your dad. Tignan mo si Lolo. Rest in peace, Lolo.
Putang ina, hindi pa ako patay. What do you mean there's no adobo? Anak, will you be riding through the 6 today?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige, don't forget your woes.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the lunch.
Thank me later.
Tony, Lion King's my favorite movie. Have you seen Lion King?
A wimbo what, girl?
Oh my God, Tony.
Sige, tita. Bye, ah. Sige. Okay, bye. Bye.
Ingat.
Sige, ha.
Hey!
Netflix and chill.
Girl, I'm about that Pashal and Kasal, you feel me?